Hey guys, welcome back to the crypto movement. Today we have a big juicy video for you. We're going to talk about China declares all cryptocurrencies illegal. So we're going to get into that and some of the things that are going on. And but before we do that, please smash that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells YouTube that this content is important and it allows it to be pushed out to more people so that they get the opportunity to see that. So please smash that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't yet. On this channel, we talk about all things cryptocurrency, what's going on in the market, and the crypto news today. And so with that, let's go ahead and get started. And also, I wanted to say too that I'm not a professional trader. I'm not, here to give financial advice. I'm just telling you what's going on and some things that I might be doing. And but do your own research and decide what's best for you and your family. So that just want to give that quick disclaimer for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Here in the markets, it took kind of a hit today. So there's a lot of red. Things were really making a turn yesterday, but with the news this morning out of China, it really drove everything down. So that's kind of what it is today, and we'll keep you updated on more of what's going on. But I wanted to start with this article here from CNBC News: Bitcoin and Ether slide as China intensifies crackdown on cryptocurrencies. I wanted to play this video for you where they're talking about the regulations and this tug of war between government regulation and this sort of, you know, non-regulation anarchy, and they're just trying to find a balance. So let's take a listen and see what they have to say about this.
Bitcoin and crypto and what China is doing, but then let's move on to the markets. What do you think first with this move on China? If it's as serious as it sounds, it's surprising to not see crypto down more. Does this mean people aren't that worried about it?
Well, I think there are a lot of people who feel that we've seen this again and again. I disagree. I think this is part and parcel with Xi cracking down, asking for all the information. They don't want they don't want rich people hiding money. And these are ways to hide money. There's no crypto bull who is ever not a crypto bull. I mean, they literally, all countries could ban crypto, and people would say, well, it's even better because, you know what, we can do crypto on Mars. I do not think that Gary Gensler was against Coinbase. What he's against, frankly, other than the fact that Coinbase showed such contempt toward him, is the idea that this shouldn't be a security. I think that everybody who would really love any of these wants it to be a security and regulated, but there's just a lot of people who just say, you know what, I want to be able to do this and not have any government regulation. Well, you know what? I mean, that's anarchy. So I don't think either China or the United States wants anarchy, but the Chinese want to find out who's rich. And the Americans just want to make it so that if something bad happens, like Tether goes under or something, which I don't think will happen, but at least we have some handle on it. So I know the crypto people, look, I own Ethereum. And I've made a lot of money in Bitcoin, candidly. But I still recognize that not everything's positive. I mean, if I came out right now and said Salesforce cutting numbers big, taking the numbers down, but I go from buy to strong buy, I think you'd say, what are you, like, out of your mind?
Right.
But, you know, with crypto, it's like, hey, listen, we're cracking down on crypto. You can't have crypto, and I'm raising crypto to a strong buy. I mean, but, you know, crypto people are great at, they're great, they're promoters.
Really?
And there's nothing wrong with being a promoter. It's just that at a certain point we have to say it's not a great promoter day.
Very quickly, we got to run, but let's talk about the markets into the week. We're actually up for the week. You know, red arrows this morning, but we're up for the week, which maybe is hard to imagine given where we were Monday.
Well, I think that Powell did a great job navigating COVID versus the economy and, of course, favoring people who are disenfranchised. And at the same time, I think that whoever reached, just said.
So that's a little bit about what's going on with the crypto market. Again, this isn't the first time, but it's just it's finding that middle ground between regulation, supposedly for protection, and also being free as well, to not have so much government control. So it's all pretty interesting stuff. I wanted to go into this article as well. This is from BBC.com. China declares all cryptocurrency transactions illegal. So they say that China's central bank announced that all transactions of cryptocurrencies are illegal, effectively banning digital tokens such as Bitcoin. Virtual currency related business activities are illegal financial activities, the People's Bank of China said, warning it seriously endangers the safety of people's assets. China is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency markets. Fluctuations there often impact the global price of cryptocurrencies. So that's definitely what we've been seeing today, with the real downturn that's happened really across the whole crypto market. It says the price of Bitcoin fell more than $2,000 in the wake of Chinese announcements. Yeah, so there was a definite drop today with that. It is the latest in China's national crackdown on what it sees as volatile, speculative investment at best and a way to launder money at worst. Okay, again, as I've said before, to look across the board. It's funny. I was listening to something yesterday about this type of thing being not really. It's a threat to the money system. Well, it's a threat to their money system and their money monopoly. So this is going to be pretty interesting to see what happens. Again, this isn't the first time. So they're trying to do a lot of crackdown. But I thought this was pretty interesting on Twitter. Senator Pat Toomey, this is a different angle to look at it. He said China's authoritarian crackdown on crypto, including Bitcoin, is a big opportunity for the U.S. It's also a reminder of our huge structural advantage over China. So that's a positive from his angle. And Crypto Wendy says, Senator, you are 100% correct here. I wish the rest of the government saw it that way and allowed for innovation to flourish here. I do believe crypto and Bitcoin can really change the game for U.S. folks nationwide. So shout out to you, Wendy. That's a great point. And Senator Pat Toomey, I'm glad you said that, because we could take advantage of this and to be able to give us more opportunity while other countries such as China is wanting to crack down, but to give us the opportunity to rise for this occasion. But anyway, this was breaking news and I wanted to get this out to you guys as soon as I could so that you're aware of it. And I hope this was helpful and beneficial. Again, please smash that like button so more people can get a chance to see this. And definitely subscribe if you haven't yet. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.